What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, we got a lot of great information to go over in today's video. We got Twitter popping off the last few days, so we got to recap everything that's happened today and yesterday, and it just gives me that feeling that something is happening. That we got people speaking out on behalf of Meta that are kind of a part of Meta and kind of not, I guess, but we just got so much to cover. Hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out that algorithm. The first thing I want to say is sorry we didn't get the live stream tonight with Tony, aka Market Moves. He had something come up and he was unable to make it. He wanted me to say he is sorry. I told him it's no problem, man. You got to put yourself and your family first. We're going to reschedule that live stream for probably next week sometime. He's going to let me know when he's available, and we'll get that planned out and get that to you guys. So first now, let's go over here on Twitter. And George here, man. George retweeted this post here from Gardner Wade 3. And I'm going to get this situated here. And building warps drive up at Metamaterials, and it has a picture of one of the Star Wars, Star Trek ships right here. And Gardner Wade here has this post. This is Gardner Wayne, Meta CPO, zero concerns here, full speed ahead, know what you hold. Watch what happens to this Mmat spaceship when 6 warps drives get lit at once. Warp drive equals product division. Feel free to share. And he commented here on Meta Support Channel's post. Looks like the hedgies are on a mission to break the 138 line of support. It's a shame. We need some good news soon or we'll be under $1. Come on, don't let me down at Metamaterials. And he gets a reply here from Gardner Wayne, man. This is like phenomenal that yesterday we had the John Berta tweets, and today we get a Metamaterials CPO out here commenting on it. So what we're going to do is we got people down here confirming that it is him. And here you got a person saying, thank you for sharing. What are the official 6 divisions? And he's like, shh, more than 6. Think about it. Automotive, medical, telecom, augmented reality, the coming metaverse, aerospace, defense, security, sensor protection, solar energy. You get the point here. Green solutions. So here he's saying, you better get that spacesuit. Another bullish stuff here going on. You got people down here commenting on this, going crazy. So let's go to Gardner Wayne's actual Twitter account here. And he is only following 2 people, George Palacaris and the New York Times. And we know this is the real deal person from Metamaterials because George retweeted his post. So maybe it's something where, George can't say anything, but this gentleman can. He has no official tweets. And he literally just joined Twitter like 2 months ago, so I find that kind of ironic. But like I said, we know it's the real deal because George retweeted this. And here he's saying, this person says, no chance this guy works for Meta. And he goes, want to bet 4 million shares? So here you also got another person here, Rock God, saying, just heard back, it's his account. I'm going to do my best to remain ignorant of anything insider related, and only talk about things that are public knowledge. I'm not even going to follow his account. And he comments here, says, I never tell Houston anything that isn't public knowledge. Protects both of us. You only get one reputation. Here's the policy. Never do something you won't do in the headlines or on the front page of the New York Times. So here you go, man. This is, like I said, exciting stuff. Now, what I wanted to do was, let me see here. Look at a couple of his likes here. You can see some of the stuff he's liking, people's memes. Here you can see a picture here where Duke Silva shared, just in case you need to know who Wade Gardner is. There's an article here on this gentleman. So this is the real deal. He's out here liking all kind of posts, man. He's on a liking spree of Metamaterials right now, and I love it. So to follow up yesterday, man, we had the John Berta stuff we talked about in yesterday's video. Today we get this one, and yesterday, keep in mind, we just had this from John Berta, the former CEO of Torcha Energy, and he did this post saying, FYI, rumor has it a short and short attack is on MMTLP and MAT about to take place. I have not confirmed, but recent price action leads to think the info I'm getting is correct. They don't want people to make money on the spin out and then plow it back into MMAT. That there was like as you saw in yesterday's video, I was a little excited on that because he is basically confirming what I've already said is going to happen. We get the dividend money, we plow it back in MMAT, and as we know, if we even do 8%, there's not enough shares to be covered. The shorts are going to have a hard time covering the shares if we even put 8% of our dividend back into MMAT. So, like I said, you can get on these two different accounts here, Gardner Wade and John Berta. Go look at their tweets and replies. Go look at their likes. They have a lot of great information out there. Now we're going to go take a look at the Fintel here and look at the information we got in the short interest. Let me refresh this. And look at this here, 14.3 days to cover. That is like almost 3 weeks in trading for them to cover. Short squeeze scores at 88.65, ranked 142 out of 5,500 stocks. Only 95,000 shares available to short. And look at this here. I'm excited on this. The short borrower fee went up. Yes. Yesterday we were setting at the 6.7, and today we are at 8.58. Let's go. 8.58. That's what I'm talking about, man. The shorts are going to be paying if they want to short us. And we ended the FINRA short volume ratio at a 60.46. So it's very high. 60%, 52.71. And we got an aggregate short volume ratio of a 61.61. I did go look here at the total ownership. The shares outstanding has not changed, so that is great. Taking a look here at metamaterial stock today, our average volume is 5.5 million. We did trade 3.9 million, and I think a lot of that probably came towards the end of the day there with that exciting tweet coming out from Gardner Wade, and yeah, I think that was his name, Gardner Wade. Yes. All right, so almost 4 million shares. That's a lot more than what's usually traded. And we ended the day in the after hours green, actually. We're up about 0.8% or so, roughly around there. So, we'll take any gains we can get, trust me. If we go take a look at MMTLP, ended at $1.08. We're down less than 1%. And the volume is down low. And I do have a little update about Fidelity on MMTLP. So real quick, the average volume 655,000, and we trade at 240,000. So one of my Patreon members messaged me today and said that he was on the phone with Fidelity 1 hour and 2 minutes long. All the restrictions the guy told him yesterday are indeed there, but it's a big but. You can still purchase through Fidelity with you got to ask for this specifically, he said, fixed income investment team. You can call them at the regular number or just say fixed income desk or bond desk. So that is very, very key terminology there. Fixed income investment team, or you can do the fixed income desk or the bond desk is the what you need to get, one of those three. It says you can also call the regular number, but you have to do that. They'll put in your limit orders. He had limits orders in, and he confirmed. He posted that with me at 12:53 p.m. Eastern time, and he messaged me back at 2:14 that those orders was filled at $1.09. So he did get his orders filled on MMTLP through Fidelity. It just seems like you're gonna need about an hour to get that to process through. But maybe you could save a little time now, being that we know who to ask for. If you call Fidelity, say I need to speak with this right here, the Fidelity. What the heck was it again? I got so much stuff here. The fixed income investment team. That's what we need. Or you can do the fixed income desk or the bond desk. So keep those three in mind. All right. So to top off with MMTLP, let's take a look at the oil prices. As you can see, WTI crude is at $102.08 and Brent crude is at $107.03. And there is articles out here talking about oil going up to $180. Maybe I'll throw that in the next video. Like I said, we're still going to be looking to plan a reschedule of the live stream of market moves for next week. We're going to talk about proven oil production and how huge that will benefit the special dividend. So like I said, sorry we couldn't do it tonight. Things come up. But we will hopefully get that scheduled next week for you guys. If you appreciate this video, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.